Hello everyone, my name is Rocky, and on behalf of My-Multiverse, I'd like to welcome to the first video in the series on Fuuka Taisen. Fuuka Taisen is a fighting doujin soft game by the circle Reina Mono. It's been around for a couple of years now, but it's obviously quite popular, as you can tell if I'm making a video about it. Alright, so first video here is just to guide you through the technical details before we start actually playing the game, because I think it's probably the better idea to make sure everything's set properly before you actually dive into it. So when you first get the game, you may notice, first thing first, you might want to check to make sure that this is actually reading Japanese, not just a bunch of boxes. If you're seeing a bunch of boxes, it means your computer is not reading the code properly. It doesn't know how to deal with it. What you need to do is to set the computers to tell it to read all non-Unicode language as in this case Japanese, as whatever language you want to put. In this case, Japanese. It depends on how you do it. Depends on what operating system you have. So you can go online and look that up yourself. I'm not gonna do everything for you. In any case, when you first start the game, you first need to make sure you configure the buttons correctly. So you click on that button, and then this screen will come up. You have pads 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your network box, and I'll show you this thing first. This is to set your input commands for player 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you see here I've already set mine up, but when you first get yours, it'll probably look like this. You need to tell the computer what buttons will associate with what command. These two you can leave or not use. It's up to you. Oh, whoops. Alright. And once you're done, press OK. And then once you're here, you can either save and quit, or you can use this button to actually jump right to the game itself. You press this button, you press that button, or you click on this versus button right here. This first screen will come up. It's just the configuration menu for the graphics display first. You can just full screen a window, your frame rate, and then if you want to use pixel shading. If you want to use a different soundboard, if I click it here on my computer, it's not going to make any sound at all, so I'm not going to click it. And this one is to tell you if you don't want to use this configuration down here. I think it's useful if you have a game controller, but since I don't, I'm not going to touch that. Once here you start, let me center this first. There we go. And here's the main menu. Now, when you press A or start, whatever button you selected before, the menus come up. You have story mode, arcade mode, Taisen mode is just, took me a couple, just having you guys go right at it. It's good for like same computer versus. Training mode, online mode, replay mode, Omake mode, and configuration, and this to exit. So I'll go back here. I'll get you through the more technical stuff first. Online mode is here. It's just setting up your servers. You use this one to start setting up a server. And this is the specific ideas. You can change your IPs up and down to, and then change to whatever number IP address you want. For all these things, whatever button you set to A is your general go forward, and whatever button you set to B is your general go back, like that. Your port number, your delay, well, it's set a little lag, and then this means you're finished. You want to go back. And I'll show you this one now. Replay mode. It's just a collection of all the replay of the fights that you've done before. It's organized by, you see here, date, year, and what time that was intended, so you have an idea as to what's here. There's a folder that should come with your entire Fuuka Taisen folder, which stores all the replays in there. I'll show you the next one. Omake mode. It's just a collection of all the different things. All the different characters that you've both unlocked, as well as it shows you on top whether you've beaten the story mode and whether you've beaten the arcade mode for this character. Here, and once you do it, it also saves all. At the end of every story mode, for each character there's like a short cinematic ending. It saves all those, so you can watch those again if you'd like to. Alright, configuration. You can set the background music up and down. Same for sound effects. This here is for the computer AI. You can set it to easy, medium, hard. And how many rounds to win. 1, 2, or 3. This will reset everything back to the default. And this goes back. And next time, that's it for now. Next time, I will actually start playing this game. Yeah.